Hello everyone, it's me, Yulitom, and we're back to another video. Yes, I know I've been not uploading, but now it's Christmas, so I can finally upload now. Upload videos on YouTube. So, yeah. And I'm going to upload every day. I will try to upload every day at 2 p.m. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Okay, with full screen. Hi, the game is called Ramen Shop. It's a horror game that I found on itch.io. So, let's do this. I hope it doesn't lag, and I hope my PC doesn't blow up and get a virus. Ay, by the way, this is just a demo. Okay. Yes, my PC can handle the game. Oh my goodness. Can we... that's the only resolution. Let's do 20. Alright, never mind. That's okay. Never mind. Let's just do it. Alright, alright. I'm not lagging. That's fine. I hope this video is not lagging also. Alright, instruction. Fill the bowl with broth. Cook the noodles until soft. Place the noodles in the bowl. Add the toppings. Put the lid. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just check if the recording is fine. Okay, I just checked and the video is not lagging. Yes, okay, my PC can handle. Okay, add the toppings. Put the lid. Serve it to the customer. Okay. Chas hu 2. Green onions 1. Boiled eggs 2. Okay, let's do this. Door. Right, left click. Ah! Oh my goodness! I'm playing a game that my PC can handle. Oh my goodness. Ay. So, what is the first? Fill the bowl with broth. Is this broth? No. What is broth? What is broth? Is this broth? Oh, this broth. Okay. Bowl. Yes, bowl. Drop. How do we open? Okay. Talk to customers to take their orders. Okay, I'm already scared. Oh my goodness, where did you come from? Hello. Hey, you're the new employee, right? Yeah, I am. What can I get today? Let me get one chicken ramen with shazu and green onions. Okay, coming right up. Alright, chicken ramen. Take this. Chicken broth. Chicken broth. Oh, there. Chicken broth. Okay. Okay. Drop. Noodles. Okay. And 2 chizu. 2 chizu. 2 chizu and green onion. Put the lid. There you go. Hello, is this what you want? Thanks. You're welcome. Also, good luck with the new job. Why? Oh, money! Money! I am rich. Hey. Why good luck on the new job? Hello. You look cool. Hater. Nice to see some new faces. I'm only one. I'm starving. Let me get 2 chicken ramen with 1 boiled egg and green onions. And with with boiled egg and chaz. Huh? 2 chicken ramen with 1 boiled egg and alright. 2 chicken thingy. Alright, this is kinda easy. Then 2 boiled egg. Noodles. Noodles. Oh! Noodles. Okay, what else? What again? 2 chicken ramen, 1 boiled egg, and green onions. 1 boiled egg, green onions. Huh? 1 with boiled eggs and green onions. 1 with boiled eggs and cheese. Okay. Boiled egg. Tapos yung isa. Green onions and cheese. Alright. Okay. Cheese. And green onions. Okay. Okay, here's your order, my boy. Pay the order. Huh? Huh? 2 chicken ramen, 1 boiled egg and green onions, 1 with boiled egg. What do you want me to do? I give it to you. Huh? 2 chicken ramen, 1 boiled egg. I did it. What do you want me to do? Put. Boy, it's done. 1 boiled egg. Boy. What? 2 chicken ramen. What am I doing wrong? Is this chicken? Yes, it's chicken. Boiled egg. 1 boiled egg. Do you want 2 chicken ramen, 1 boiled egg, and green onions? Check. Don't tell me that I have to. Huh? Nah, serious. What does this guy want me to do? Hello? This doesn't have a thingy. Look! Oh my goodness. What am I supposed to do? Hello? 2 chicken ramen, 1 with boiled eggs and green onions, and 1 with boiled eggs and chasu. Boy, what you want me to do? It's literally this one. This is the one with green onions. No, this is the green onions. And this is the chasu. What am I missing? No. Let's restart the game. Okay, I did it. 2 chicken ramen with egg and green green and 1 egg and cheese. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Green onions. Okay, see that. And cheese. What am I doing wrong? 2 chicken ramen. What am I doing wrong? Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm going to research. Oh my goodness. No, okay, like literally. It just said 2 chicken ramen. One chicken ramen with boiled egg. Never mind. It kinda makes sense now. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, fine. Gotta do it your own way. Huh? It doesn't work anymore. If you're telling me this is the way, oh my goodness, I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh my goodness, ain't no way. Also, you're kinda, huh? What? Am I a girl? What? I'm a girl? Yes, queen. Hey. Alright, let's do this. Next customer coming up. Hey, what happened to your eyes? Oh, that's sunglasses. Oh, never mind. Let me get one spicy with boiled eggs. Hi. What else? Chillax. Turururu, turururu, turururu. What else? I forgot. Boiled eggs, green onions. Okay. 2 boiled eggs. Green onion. Eat it up. Eat it up. Boy. It just took 10 seconds, boy. Hey yo. What you just say? At least you give me money. That's fine. Hola, kamusta? Olo kalamarase. Ay. Hey you, young one. Looks like you're new here. It's a good thing that Mr. Sato hired you. He's getting sick a lot recently. Anyways, please let me get 1 chicken. 1 chicken? 1 chicken and 1 spicy ramen. Boiled eggs and onions. Chicken. Boiled eggs. Okay. Boiled eggs, onions, in chicken. Boiled eggs and onions for chicken. Boiled eggs and onions for chicken. Boiled eggs and onions for chicken. Boiled eggs and onions. Boiled eggs and onions. Okay. Boiled eggs and onions. This is the chicken right there. And for the spicy one, we gonna have all of that topping. Oh, that's enough. Oh no! No. We can use that. Let's save some ingredients. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it says here Chizu boiled eggs. Boiled eggs is times 2. I thought that was the thingy. Hey. Oh, this looks delicious. Thanks. I'll be sure to come here again. Okay, thank you. Come again. No, wait. She just said that. Hello. Can we see a customer? Ah, it's a businessman. Ah, never mind. This just ordinary. Hey, you. What's up, kid? I just finished a 12-hour shift. Sitting in a computer all day is really killing me. Yes. Anyways, give me one chicken ramen with all the toppings. One chicken ramen with all the toppings. Coming right up. Don't worry, boy. I'm coming right up. There is no with all the toppings. Don't worry, boy. We're gonna save the toppings. Oh, look at how I'm so fast. Wow. Would you look at that? That was fast, right? Thank you very much. Also, do you sell any drinks? I'm thirsty. No, you should really add some. I would go here every day if you sell them. That's okay. Close the blinds. Goodbye, money. Mop the floor. Where's the mop? Ah! Ayan! Ah! Okay. I'm calling the police. Jesus, brother. My brother is the one who hired you. He didn't tell me you were coming here. Yeah, I come here just to check on you. I'm fine. Well, you gave me a heart attack. No, it's not fine. I almost died. You should go home and rest. I close up the shop. Ah, it's fine. You want to. Besides, I have a couple of things to do here. Just exit through the back door. You know what? I hate you. Yeah, I already hate you, boy. You suck. Look at that stupid face. And how did you come here? Okay, day 2. Yahoo. Huh? Oh, it's just a demo. Thank you so much for playing the demo of the ramen shop. The ramen shop is still in early development. If you have any feedback or bugs you're encountered, please feel free to message me in Discord server and leave me a review. And if you enjoyed this demo, please consider researching the game on Steam. Doing that is the best way to support me as an indie game developer. You'll get notified if the full game comes out. But I would definitely play this, but the problem is I don't have money. Okay. Bye. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this stupid gameplay of me playing. This game is kinda good, boy. I like the mechanics, but why can't they just put, I mean, never mind. There's an S, so it's not only one egg. Never mind. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. So I'm gonna be uploading every day at 2 p.m. in the Philippines time. I don't know what. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and goodbye.